Hello, it's Linda, your Who Dat teacher, back again to teach you another line dance. But make sure you go to my Facebook page and like my page, Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, to find out more information about me and the Let's Mess It Up Soul line dancers. This line dance I'm going to teach you, it is so beautiful. It's called GMS. It's a two-wall dance. The song is My Favorite Things by Ron Isley featuring Kim. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Here we go. Okay, this line dance starts on your right foot, okay? Right foot. So you point front, side, or 1, 2, 3. Again, right foot. You point to the front, to the side, and 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to switch to our left, okay? And I have this little saying, so don't laugh at me because it works, okay? So you travel back and forth, stop it here. Yes, I did say that. So here. So we went to the right leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The left leg, you do a travel step on the left. Back and forth. Stop it here. So when I step to the front, I put my weight on my front leg, okay? And my heel comes up, my back heel comes up. So here. Back and forth, stop it here. 5, and 5, 6, 7, and back and forth, stop it here. Stepping forward, my weight is on my right leg. Again, back and forth, stop it here. So it's a travel step is what it is. 5, 6, 7, and back and forth, stop it here. So let me show you from this side because I want you to see me step forward. Back and forth, stop it here. Back and forth, stop it here. Stand forward on that leg. That heel comes up right here. So my weight is on my right leg. So let's put it forward. Put it all together. 5, 6, from the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back and forth, stop it here. Again, 5, 6, 7, right leg. Tap into the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Travel. Back and forth. Stop it here. Okay? Heel is up. I want you to step out. 1. Just take this back leg and go to the side. 1, 2. Alright? So my leg is on, my weight is on that right leg. My heel is up. And you know I have this saying, when my heel is up, I'm going somewhere. Here. 1, 2. Okay? Heel is up. I'm going to do a kick, kick, top, and turn. When I turn, I'm going to do a half turn. Here we go. Kick, kick, top, and again. Kick, kick, top. When you top, I have to come down. Top. So I kick left, right. Left, right. I top with my left. Top, step back. Then I'm gonna make a half turn. So my right leg is gonna come back here. Right shoulder comes back. That was a 3/4 turn. A 3/4 turn is what I'm gonna do. Because I'm here. Right here, and now I'm here. And I want to go make a 3/4 turn with my right shoulder coming back. 3/4 turn. Kick, kick, top, and I spin around. So I'm going to my opposite wall. I'm here at the front. That's where the line dance starts. And it ends. When I finish that little step, it's going to end on the opposite wall. Okay? From the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back and forth. Stop it here. 1, 2, kick. Kick, shoulder comes back, okay? So, now I'm back to another step. So the same step that I just did, I'm gonna move it to my left leg. So I started the same step on my right. When I turn here, I'm gonna start on my left and do the same exact step. So let me do it here, again, from the top, on the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, back. Back and forth, stop it here. Left leg. 1, turn, kick. Kick, kick, top, 3/4 turn. So I'm spinning back with my right leg. Now I'm gonna go to my left leg. So you can see it, I'm gonna turn this way. Do the same step on my left leg. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4, travel. Back and forth, stop it here. Step forward on your left. 1, 2, I'm gonna do a kick, kick, and top on my right leg. Kick, kick, top, 3/4 turn. Okay? So now I'm gonna put it all together. I'm not gonna spend much time on it because it's still the same footwork. You went from your right to your left. So let me do it together, the first and the second step together, so you can see the whole step together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Travel. 5 and 6. Stop it here. Point. 1, turn. 2, kick. Kick, kick, top, 3/4 turn. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Travel. Back and forth. Stop it here. And point. Point. Turn, kick. Kick, kick, top, 3/4 turn. Left shoulder come back. Okay? Let's add on. Adding on. I'm going to do 4, point, and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. 4, point, and cross, and 1, 2. Heel up. 3. Let me show you here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, left, left, and right. Again. Right, left, left, and right. Again. Right, left, kick, left, and right. Okay? My right leg is forward. Think about your left shoulder. I want you to think about right, left, right, left, right, left. And make a half turn. Right, left, right, left. Again, right, left, right, left. Now I'm going to step back on my right. Right, left, right. That's a half turn. Step back on my left. Left, right, left. So that's the turn. My right leg is forward. Right, left, right. Step back on your left. Left, right, left. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7. Point and cross. Point, cross, point, cross, point, cross, point, cross. And right. 1, 2, left, and tap. Right, left, right, left. Okay? Now, let me give you the last part to this. I'm going to turn my back, and I'll come back and put it all together. Okay? So we go back into a point cross again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2 on the right, left, and back to the 1, 2, 3, and tap. So I taught you that. That's the same step. 1, 2, left, and tap. Back on the right, left, tap. So I did 1, 2, left, and tap. Step back on the right, left, tap. Let me give you the count for that. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Last step. 7, 8. Keep that leg back. Right feet back. 7, 8. And you do like a twist in place. Back. 7, 8. The hip rolls out, the right hip rolls out. 7, 8, and both of your feet pivot. 7, 8. Heel back, and you back at the top. So let me walk through the whole entire thing back to the top. The very, very top. With the point and tap out, and you travel. 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Travels. 5 and 6. Stop in here. Left leg. 1, 2, kick. Kick, kick, top, 3/4 turn. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Travel. 5 and 6. Stop in here. Back leg. Point, turn, kick. Kick, kick, top, and turn. Walking and tap. Right, left, point right, point left. And here's the kick. 1, 2, kick, and tap, turn. Right, left, right, left. Point, tap on the right, on the left. And 1, 2, kick, and tap, right, left, tap, twist back. And you're back at the top. And that's it. GMS. Make sure you go to the next video, GMS, and mess it up with the Let's Mess It Up Soul Line dancing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.